It's an earthquake. What should I do? Mommy says that I have to stay calm in an earthquake. Can you find my emergency backpack? Yes, this is my emergency backpack. Now, where should I hide? Now, where should I hide? Can you tell me where should I hide? Hide in a mirror can cut you. Tick, tick. Anywhere else? Hide in a bathroom to remove falling objects. Huh! Hide under the desk to remove falling objects. Hide under the table to remove falling objects. You got them all. If the earthquake strikes, hide in the table or a bathroom. Let's hide. Oh no, the power is off. Let's use the flashlight. Remember to put the protective gear. A helmet can do it. Tissues for covering your hands. Tissue to cover your nose and mouth. You did it. I'm hungry. Oh, nom nom nom. I'm bored. A toy can do it. I'm thirsty. Oh, the emergency is coming. Time to use my blower to let us know I'm here. I got you out. Let me get out of here. Do you have an emergency contact? I can contact your parents. Thank you. Remember to have an emergency contact to find your parents soon. Yay! After watching the video, what have you learned? Now, I got you the following actions that right or wrong. During the earthquake, I panicked. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. During an earthquake, I hid in the table. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. While waiting for help, I screamed. Is that correct? Good job. You aced it. It's the answer no. Bye-bye.